Gear rack features high precision, employing cutting-edge machining techniques. Our gears and racks boast unparalleled smoothness in transmission, significantly reducing operational noise. High strength, crafted from top-tier alloy steel and subjected to rigorous hardening processes. These components exhibit exceptional wear resistance, promising extended service life. Multiple options. We offer a diverse array of helical and straight gears, each designed with a modular approach to cater to the distinct needs of various transmission applications. Easy installation, adhering to stringent manufacturing standards ensures swift and seamless integration into diverse automation systems. Expediting installation applications. Our gear and rack systems find extensive application in an array of advanced machinery, including CNC machines, laser cutting equipment, automated production lines, robotics, woodworking machines, and numerous others. Model selection. We provide an extensive selection of module sizes, materials, and specifications, allowing for tailored customization to meet even the most niche requirements. Precision gears racks for superior automation. Elevate your automation systems with our superior range of precision gears and racks, engineered for peak performance and reliability. Our products are the ideal solution for demanding applications requiring smooth, quiet, and long-lasting operation. Uncompromising quality, manufactured using advanced machining techniques. Our gears and racks boast exceptional precision for minimal noise and vibration. Crafted from premium alloy steel and hardened for superior wear resistance, they offer an extended lifespan, reducing downtime and maintenance costs. Versatile solutions. Choose from a wide selection of helical and straight gears, all designed with modularity in mind. This allows for seamless integration into diverse automation systems, catering to a broad spectrum of needs. Whether you require specific module sizes or unique material specifications, our customizable options ensure a perfect fit for your project. Effortless integration. Standardized production guarantees easy and efficient installation, minimizing setup time and maximizing productivity. Our gears and racks are readily adaptable to various industrial environments, including CNC machines, laser cutting systems, automated production lines, robotics, and woodworking machinery.